In this video, we are going to review Strapi versus Payload CMS. So which one is the best? So these two headless CMS platforms are dominating the development world. So starting with Strapi, it's one of the most popular headless CMS solutions out there. It's open source, Node.js based, and has powerful plugin ecosystem. You get an intuitive admin panel, flexible content structures, and it works beautifully with GraphQL or REST. Now let's go ahead to Payload CMS, a newer but seriously powerful CMS also built with Node.js and MongoDB. So think of it as a CMS plus backend framework. So which one wins? Choose Strapi if you want polished UI, community support, and fast setup, or choose Payload if you are building something more custom, love TypeScript, and want complete backend control. In short, Strapi is polished and proven, Payload is flexible and powerful. Pick the one that fits your project goals. As always, thank you for watching.